Hi, my name is Laurel Handel Polselli, and I am with the Fitzpatrick team of RE/MAX Professionals of Newport. I'm here with Gina Lalli of Guaranteed Rate. I invited Gina here today to talk about interest rates because it's what everyone is talking about, whether to buy now or to wait because of how those interest rates will affect your monthly payment and whether you can afford to buy. So without further ado, hi Gina.
Hi.
Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for having me. I'm so excited to talk about this topic. It is a topic right now that everyone's talking about, interest rates. If you're a buyer right now, you're probably frustrated about what's happening in the market. The real estate market has been affected with the rise in interest rates because we've seen them increase at such a dramatic pace in the past few months. We're seeing that it's giving buyers more opportunity with inventory. There is more inventory to choose from and it's a little less competitive. As sellers, we're still seeing that there is opportunity to list your home, make a profit, take some of that profit, hold on to it, save it, invest it, maybe downsize. Maybe you want to upgrade a bit and take that profit and turn it into a new purchase. We're speculating that in the next 6 to 12 months, they could increase even further, but not as much of a dramatic pace as they have been. We're hearing a lot about what the Federal Reserve is doing. The Federal Reserve sets monetary policy for this entire country. And so what they do is they're setting a Fed funds interest rate, which is what banks use to charge each other. It dictates what credit card rates are, auto loan rates are, and it has an indirect effect on mortgage rates only on the capacity of how consumers are behaving. The Fed plays a role in setting the tone for the entire economy. The economy has definitely been red hot, and so they have two primary concerns right now. And one is to encourage job growth, and two is to control inflation. And so since one of their main goals is to control inflation, we're seeing that come up and be revealed in what's happening in real estate. Historically, home appreciation has always outpaced inflation. Whereas many buyers are fixated on interest rates, it's only a slice of the entire home buying process. There's a major opportunity to gain future equity in purchasing a home. Talking to a local lender like myself, and what we do is we help you identify how much you can afford on a monthly basis, how much that initial investment may cost. A mortgage payment is a stabilized expense. So right now, in the time where inflation is at highs, your house payment, your mortgage payment is going to be a fixed expense.
Right. Comforting thought.
Yeah, definitely. And even if you decide to pursue an adjustable rate mortgage, sometimes there is an advantage to taking an adjustable rate. They're fixed for 5 years, 7 years, sometimes 10 years long. So the opportunity to potentially refinance in the future is always something that homeowners typically will look into. You may even end up selling in a short period of time. So that interest rate is not for life, unless you truly keep it for the entire term of your loan.
And so how long can people wait before they refinance? Say if they purchase a home on these high-ish interest rates, when can they turn around and get that lower interest rate?
It really depends on market conditions. Is there a benefit for you? Is it going to save you money monthly? Do you have the opportunity to cash into some equity? There's a lot of profit out there, and you could take that money, you could put it into a new mortgage, lock your rate in while you shop. And so what can you do as a buyer right now? Focus on your credit score. Making sure that you have the best credit score that you possibly can have right now is super essential. Also, number 2, try and save money, because the more you have, the more you could potentially use as a down payment. A little bit of a larger down payment can really help you when you lock in your interest rate. Having a higher credit score can really help you when you lock in your interest rate. Right now, I see that there's opportunity to lock in a rate, get an affordable payment that's right for you.
I love that you're taking a positive outlook on what's happening right now, because home buying can be such a positive or it is such a positive experience. You're buying your future, you're buying equity. You're buying your home. I like this take on this kind of scary topic and making it more realistic and tangible. And speaking with a lender such as Gina will only help you understand more of what's happening in this market and all these kind of hot words that we're seeing across the news, it's still very much a possibility for you to buy right now.
The market is shifting, and it's shifting in the sense that there's a lot of possibilities for buyers to actually get in on a major investment.
So I'm glad that I invited Gina here today to talk a little bit about this topic, and hopefully you took something from it, and we'll call Gina or myself or whoever you trust out there to learn more about how interest rates will affect your purchase and how you can still buy if it feels right for you at this moment. So thank you, Gina, for coming and talking about this, and again, keeping it positive and light, because home buying is supposed to be a positive thing. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Fitzpatrick team on YouTube so you can keep up with all of our great videos and content.
Thanks.